Is your Wi-Fi not working after installing Windows Update or feature upgrade? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you have no Wi-Fi after upgrading to Windows, installing Windows Update or installing a feature update or getting disconnected randomly, this video will show you how to try and fix the problem. Let's get started. Method 1. Check the router settings. If you do not see the Wi-Fi network's name at home, ensure your router is set to broadcast the network's name. Method 2. Reset your Wi-Fi router. Restart your computer, reset your Wi-Fi router and see if that works. Method 3. Disable VPN software. Next, check if you have any VPN software installed on your computer. If it does not support Windows, uninstall it and see if it resolves the issue. If it does, visit the software vendor's website and download the version supporting Windows. Method 4. Disable the firewall software. Disable your firewall and see if that is the cause. Here is how to do that. Click the Start or Search button and type Firewall. Select Windows Defender Firewall or Windows Firewall with Advanced Security for granular control. In the left-hand menu, click Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Select Turn off Windows Defender Firewall for both private and public network settings. Then click OK. Method 5. Ensure that airplane mode is off. Open Settings, then go to Network and Internet, then Airplane mode. Ensure that airplane mode is off. Method 6. Check networking protocols. To resolve this issue, KB 3084164 recommends this first. Open an elevated command prompt window, then run this command. See if DNI_DNE is present in the resulting list of networking protocols, drivers and services. If so, proceed. Run these commands one after the other in an elevated command prompt. If this doesn't work for you, create a system restore point and then run regedit to open the registry editor. Navigate to the following registry key. If it exists, delete it. It does the same thing as the regdelete command. Method 7. Update the Wi-Fi driver. You may want to update your Wi-Fi driver and check. You may run Windows Update or use Device Manager. Open your settings by pressing Windows key plus I. Go to Windows Update. Click on Advanced Options and then select Optional Updates. Expand Driver Updates to check if a Wi-Fi driver is available. Check the box next to your driver. Select Download and Install and restart your PC. Alternatively, you may uninstall your Wi-Fi driver and then download and install the Wi-Fi driver using the manufacturer's website. Download the latest version of your Wi-Fi card driver from the official website of your computer manufacturer and install it manually. You can connect your system to the internet via an Ethernet cable to download the latest version of your Wi-Fi card driver. If your computer does not have an Ethernet port, you have to use another working computer to download the driver. Method 8. Run Network and Internet Troubleshooter. The first step is to run the automated troubleshooter. Your issue is related to the internet. Therefore, running the Network and Internet Troubleshooter can be helpful for you. You can launch the Network and Internet Troubleshooter via the Get Help app or through Windows 11 settings. Method 9. Uninstall that particular Windows Update. You can also uninstall that particular Windows Update after which this problem started occurring on your system. Method 10. Use the Network Reset feature. The Network Reset feature in Windows will help you reinstall network adapters and reset networking components to their original settings. You must connect your PC to your router using an Ethernet cable to check this. Next, open your browser, type your wireless router's IP address in the address bar and hit enter. Sign in and visit the wireless settings page. Ensure that the settings enable SSID broadcast, wireless SSID broadcast, etc. are set to on. The issue could affect service devices too. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.